Welcome to our comprehensive guide on using ChatGPT-4, your personal AI assistant. In this video, we will take you through every step, ensuring you harness its full potential efficiently and effectively, whether you're new to AI assistance or looking to deepen your understanding. This guide has something for everyone. First, let's start with accessing ChatGPT-4. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the OpenAI website. Once there, you'll find the option to log in or sign up if you don't have an account. After logging in, you will access the dashboard where you can start a new conversation with ChatGPT-4. Click on the New Chat button. This will open a chat interface similar to popular messaging apps, making it intuitive and easy to use. You'll notice a text box at the bottom of the screen where you can type your queries or commands. To begin, simply type hello and press enter. ChatGPT-4 will respond almost instantly, welcoming you to the chat. Next, let's delve into how to ask effective questions. The way you frame your queries significantly impacts the responses you get. Clear, specific questions yield more accurate answers. For instance, instead of asking, "Tell me about history," you could ask, "Can you provide a brief overview of the French Revolution?" This ensures the AI provides relevant and detailed information. Once you have grasped the basics, it's time to explore advanced functionalities. ChatGPT-4 can assist with writing, brainstorming, and even coding. To generate content, specify your needs clearly, such as write a 500-word article on climate change. Help me brainstorm ideas for a new marketing campaign. The AI adjusts its outputs based on the detail and context you give. Moreover, ChatGPT-4 can support multiple languages. Simply specify the language before your query, like, "Translate the following text to Spanish." It's an incredibly versatile tool for tackling multilingual tasks. The AI's proficiency in understanding idiomatic expressions ensures accurate and contextually appropriate translations. Finally, let's cover troubleshooting common issues. If ChatGPT-4 provides unclear or inaccurate information, don't hesitate to ask follow-up questions or rephrase your query. The iterative feedback process improves the overall accuracy of the responses. Additionally, if you encounter any technical difficulties, ask the support section on the Hiway. OpenAI website offers numerous resources and a way to contact support staff. By the end of this guide, you will feel confident using ChatGPT-4 for various tasks. From casual conversation to complex problem solving, embrace the potential of this powerful AI and integrate it seamlessly into your daily workflow. Happy chatting with ChatGPT-4.